Welcome to Wednesday, June 16th on the Soul Sister channel. My name is Kat. I am here with your Wednesday astrological forecast. Let's get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the disease, negativity leaving our bodies, flowing right out, going out to wherever it came from. And in its place, we're being filled with this beautiful white light. And this white light is made up of white light, love, and the will to good. Let's see it filling our entire bodies and then going out. It goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. This bubble is deflecting all evil, low vibration, and negativity right back to where it came from. Now, while we are in this space of this beautiful white light, let's say our Gemini affirmation. I am connected with my higher self. Together, we create the life I want. Let's say the affirmation together, and let's just stay in that space for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I am connected with my higher self. Together, we create the life I want. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wonderful, wonderful. And I can't stress enough how important, especially with the energy we're working with these days, to make sure that we use this very powerful spiritual tool anytime that we're feeling out of sorts, and especially in the morning, every morning when we wake up. It's a great way to start the day. Anyway, having said that, oh my God, is anyone beat up and bruised like I am? I've had to go out and buy more Band-Aids. It's only Wednesday, for God's sakes. Okay, so let's talk about this Neptunian deceit. Oh my gosh, is anyone else experiencing it? I do. It's kind of another funny story. I do like my stories. Let me know if you don't like them. I'll stop them. But I do love to story tell. So, you know, I put my photo up on the Facebook page, and I got to tell you guys, either A, I am just all of a sudden the hottest thing ever with all these young hot guys. I mean, they want to get to know me. They want to know where I live. Or I'm being catfished. So even though I would really like, well, I don't know if I even really would like, even though A is a little bit better than B, I really think I'm being catfished. So I don't think I'm being catfished. I am being catfished. Come on. That's not a hard illusion to uncover right there. Anyway, I went and changed my Facebook page back to something without my picture in it. So there you go. Catfishing is a form of deceit. So let's make sure, especially with this Neptunian energy, that people are who they say they are, and they are offering us what we think they're offering us. You know, they're not selling us smoke and mirrors. I've been talking about that a lot. That is still very prevalent right here now. Now that we've gotten the Neptunian energy out of the way, well, not really, we're going to we're going to go back and check in on our skeletons in the closet, okay? So we've got the moon in Virgo today. And so the skeletons in our closet that we're going to be looking at today, we're going to pull it out and take a look at objectively, right? We're going to look at our health, Virgo, and our job, Virgo. So, Saturn retrograde, Pluto retrograde, Mercury retrograde. Where haven't we been responsible for our health, people? Are we eating the right foods? Are we getting the rest we need? Are we making sure that we are limiting our stress in our lives? I think one of those skeletons might be mine, the whole health thing. So I'm just saying, I'm going to take my skeleton out and look at it, but that is that skeleton we need to look at. Maybe we need to go get our physical that we've been putting off too. But that's a skeleton. Now, we already know enough about energy to know what's going to happen if we don't heal, balance, transform, or release this energy. It's physical energy. So if we don't, Saturn and Pluto, if we're not going to be responsible for ourselves, they're going to come along and it's going to affect us physically and we're going to be forced. So we know how that's going to look. So here's your opportunity. Here's our opportunity to be proactive and choosing a new path, making a more healthy choice. Then we come to our job. We've been talking about this all year. It's the whole pull between the new, what better reflects who I am, what helps me follow my bliss, even though I don't know where the hell I'm going, versus I'm safe and secure in my status quo. So if we insist on hanging on to the status quo, when the universe is asking us to take a new direction, to make a new choice, again, what's going to happen? Well, in the job situation, it may disappear on us, forcing us to make a new decision. Again, we would rather to be proactive about this, being able to find the job that better fits our needs or fill that job or take that opportunity versus having it forced upon us. Two skeletons for us to look at today. Let's see what the universe would like to add as far as the advice for our Wednesday, June 15th, to help us have a more balanced, harmonious Wednesday. Tick tock. The fates. Oh man, you guys, I can see where this is going. This is for all of us who need to make a new choice, to take a new direction. And then, message in the bottle. We're going to get a little assistance. TikTok, what does this mean? We got to make that decision. Our opportunity is running out, guys, for us to grab that on the carousel. What is that? That hoop on the carousel, and get into that new partnership, create that new idea, take that new job position. Tick tock. Time is running out. It's meant. It's our destiny. Spirit says, okay, guys, it's your destiny. Are you going to embrace your destiny? Or are you going to sell it out to be safe and secure? If you're willing to take the risk, I got something to tell you. I'm going to help you. Please look. Please look all around today. Have that antenna up. I have a message for any of us who are needing to make that decision. We need to make it quickly. We need to know it's part of our life path, our destiny, and look for a sign to help us make the final decision. Cool stuff to get us through this Wednesday. Oh my goodness. Hey, come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do daily messages there and some interesting memes. If you like what you see today, Please like, subscribe, and share. It really, really helps me out. Your support of the channel is so important to me. Remember the keynote for this channel: life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great Wednesday, and remember to be kind. Namaste.